Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're comparing two different booster seats, the Britax Highpoint and the UPPAbaby ALTA. Let's go over what they have in common. Both boosters have a multi-position adjustable headrest plus side impact protection on the sides of the shell. The Highpoint has 3 layers for extra coverage. They both have dual armrests to keep your child comfortable. They each have an easy shoulder and lap belt path marked in red, plus a crotch strap seat belt positioner to keep the lap belt resting comfortably across your child's thighs. Now let's go over the differences. Although they both have cup holders, the ALTA has one that can attach to either side. The Highpoint has 2, which are removable and dishwasher safe. Both boosters have removable fabric, but the ALTA's is machine washable and the Highpoint must be hand washed and line dried. The Highpoint has a higher weight capacity, so it can be used longer than the ALTA. The ALTA can seat shorter children than the Highpoint can. They each have a latch system to secure them to the vehicle seat, but the ALTA has rigid lower connectors, whereas the Highpoint has flexible ones. They operate very similarly overall. The Highpoint has the added benefit of no back mode for when your child is older. It's a nice plus for children who want to feel like big kids. They are similar in price range, but the Highpoint is $20 cheaper than the ALTA. Overall, both of these booster seats are safe, easy-to-use options made by brands that we trust. Your choice might just come down to having 2 cup holders or 1. Thanks for watching. To shop these booster seats or any other gear, go to babycubby.com where orders over $25 or more ship for free. To learn more about the Britax Highpoint, check out this video here. To learn more about the UPPAbaby ALTA, check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.